Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Forgive me because I've just been getting over this horrible cold. And if you're like me and have an autoimmune disease, it just takes a little bit longer for us to get rid of our colds and our flus because our immune systems are suppressed. But today we're going to talk about applying for the Social Security disability insurance. I know I had to do that when I lost my job because of my disability. So we're going to talk about what are some of the things that cause us problems, cause us frustration. So we're going to get into that. Okay, let's go. So a lot of times people find themselves in the position like myself where we have to apply for the Social Security disability, and it's a very, very complex process. Even though all that information is free online with the Social Security office, sometimes it's just really hard to pick apart the parts that we need. For example, if I had known what I know now, I would have probably won my case from the very beginning. But because I didn't, I lost my case 3 times and I was denied 3 times. And I finally won at the end. But today, I'm going to show you something that I created to help you win your case the first time. It's called the SSDI Resilience Kit. And in this kit, what I've done is I've created many checklists to help you get your case won from the very beginning. One of the items in the kit is called the medical evidence tracker, where you're going to be able to fill in all your symptoms and what is it causing you to fail to do. The Lean Living Budget Blueprint. That's where you're going to be able to check and balance your expenditures for the month, because what you're going to find out is once you lose your job, you're thrown into a financial hardship. I know because I've been there. It's called a financial hardship call. It's basically what I've done is written a script for you. And you're going to use this script to call all your utility company. And anyone that you owe money to. And you're going to explain to them and what it is that's happened to you and why you cannot make those payments. And I've listed all those things in this script. And this kit will become invaluable for you. And I've put the link in the description below so that you can get this kit and start using it today if you have found yourself in this situation. I hope that you're able to overcome all the hurdles that you have been faced with and that are going to be coming your way. I know in a previous video I told you that it took me 2.5 years for me to go from applying to actually getting my approval in front of the ALJ judge. It's a very long process, but with this kit, I hope that you're able to find a useful tip in it to make you feel less anxious, less stressful, and give yourself more power in helping you with your situation. So that's it for this video, but I'll see you in the next video.